I know you keep hearing about you could flip houses with no money and no credit, but can you really do that? Let's see. Here I have my first book. I made this in probably like 2015. It's available on Amazon. Flip houses like burgers. Before you run over to Amazon, just bear with me and please try to watch the full video. You always hear these guys say you can flip houses with no money and no credit, but you can. And flipping houses has changed my life. I've been able to get this BMW, brand new, built, picked it up from the factory. I'll put that link in the description of that experience. It was a great experience. Been able to take my father to the Super Bowl, been able to travel, been able to be financially independent, been able to build a 7-figure net worth. Okay, real estate has been good to me. It can be good to you as well. I'm doing this video just as, a gift for all the support you guys gave me. A lot of you guys, you see me in the street, you say, hey man, I like your channel, you come off real, like I could relate to. And yeah, my background is, man, I grew up in the hood. We were middle class, but in North Jersey, you can still be middle class and still be in the hood. New York, New Jersey, DC, California is like that. Whereas, your parents own the house, but it's just in, low income part of town. Just going through the trials and tribulations that you go through in the hood. Everybody knows, I don't need to repeat all that, man. But end up graduating from college in '07, right? My first job out of college was $10 an hour in the call center. $10 an hour in the call center. I talk about that in this book. Moved to a city 10 hours away from home. I have no connections, no nothing, right? But I'm young at the time, so I'm like, whatever. I'm here, I'm from Jersey, I'm from the city, so I don't really care. I had a beat up car. I used to have to hope make it to work. Fortunately, I had ambition. Through going to different call centers, I discovered this niche called wholesaling houses, right? And, I'm broke, 1-bedroom apartment, so I'm like, whatever, like, yeah, if I no money, no credit, I qualify then. I'm willing to do some work. I've been able to, from discovering wholesaling houses, it changed my life, literally, right? And I think it can change yours. That's why I talk about it. I've been on YouTube since 2012, 2013. I've been the real estate guru since like 2013, I think. So I own that, by the way. I just wanted to make this video. I want y'all to go to freenazbook.com. Freenazbook.com. This is on Amazon right now for $9.99, but go to freenazbook.com. I'm going to give you this book for free. Wow. I'm going to give it to you, the book. The same principles of wholesaling that are in this book, okay, still apply to this day. The same principles. I'm going to give this book to you. I had hundreds of people, reach out to me over the years since I came. Yo, your book, bro, changed my life, bro. Like, man, your book, man, yeah, bro, it did this for me, it did that for me. Yo, it's step by step. Listen, it's no fluff because it's step by step. Get a little bit of my story. We got right in the meat and potatoes, okay? And this is free. I'm giving this to y'all for free. All you have to do is go to freenazbook.com. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. Thank you for watching. Make sure y'all click on the video next to this one, and check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Go to freenazbook.com, grab this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.